Hello everyone, this is Prankaj and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified on my every upload. Today I've made this video for all the CA intermediate students who are going to give their exams in November 2021. So basically it is a 90 days plan for you all so that you crack your exam in one go. Now it is July month, approximately 1 week to 10 days is left with you. Basically, if you have completed your classes, your coachings, then I want you all to gather all the resources, which is your notes, your class notes, your homework notes and everything which is pending to be completed before 31st July so that you start your revision from 1st August. So basically, this video gives you a buffer time of around 1 week to prepare everything nicely and then start your revision from 1st August. Or you can customize according to your capacity and your status right now of your studies. This video will give you an idea that if you are a student who is giving one group, how many times you need to revise. If you're a student who is giving both the groups, how many times you need to revise, and what should be your plan, how you should plan yourself before your November 21 exams. So let's get started. So 90 days plan for CA intermediate students. So for you, I want you all to make a proper system, proper plan, proper process so that the end result, the goal which you want to reach is executed timely. So for that you need to get better daily, okay? If you feel you cannot wake up early in the morning, try at least to wake up at least half an hour before your daily time. You need to improve your system very nicely so that you get the fruit at the end of 3 months. So proper system, proper plan will help you reach your goal. So in CA intermediate you have got two groups. In first group, accounts, law, cost and tax. And group 2, advanced accounting, audit, EIS, SM, FM, Eco. I suggest all the students to keep both the groups together because it helps you to pass with aggregate if you tend to fail in any one group. So aggregate will help you clear both the groups. That I have explained in my previous video, study plan for CA intermediate, which was from the from the starting point to the ending point. There you can see all the subject wise analysis and why you should give both the groups together. And if you are left with only one group, then we don't have any other option. So you can have a look in that video to have a detailed analysis of subject wise division, subject wise weightage and individual subjects how you need to study. Here it is only the revision plan which you need to take care of. So your plan for 3 months, August, September, October, you have got 3 months in hand. So first of all, as I said, July month is left. Whatsoever days are left, try to gather all the resources nicely. So gather all the resources, notes, homework, RTP, PM, past papers, old papers, everything which you have in hand. Before 31st July, take a diary and start planning. You need to create a vision. You need to plan your 15 days, 20 days plan for each subject, for each hour. Everything should be already set. There should be proper system set in your diary which you need to execute. So improve your system daily so that 1% improve can bring a big change. Actually bring a big change. So for the students who are giving only one group, that is 4 subjects and 90 days, make subject pair. I always ask students to make subject pair, one theory and one practical, so that you don't get bored of studying only one subject, okay? One theory and one practical is a good balance to study throughout the day. So make subject pair, one theory and one practical. Group 1 and group 2. Basically, group 1 accounts and law and cost and tax, and group 2 advanced accounting, audit, EIS, SM, FM, Eco. So here if you are going to give group 1, your revision duration for first revision is 40 days. In 40 days you need to complete your group 1 or group 2 revision. So you need to divide accordingly, 20 days for two subjects, that is 4 subjects, so 20 days 2 subjects, 20 days 2 subjects. And if you are giving group 2, similarly same line you need to plan for group 2. So first revision 40 days, 20 days for each pair. Proper system for 20 days. Try to complete the entire course by 15 days so that you get extra time to complete all the lag behind things, whatever you could not study. And if you want to solve sample papers, past papers to assess yourself, you can do in that last 5 days after completing your entire revision. Okay, make a proper exhaustive plan day wise, day 1, day 2, day 3 for both the subjects. For both the subjects you need to make exhaustive plan, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 15 तक, and then daily basis में you need to plan. So per day time wise you need to plan for both the subjects कि when you are going to study what subject, like day 1 5 to 8, 9 to 10, whatsoever timing, daily routine time you are going to set. I've made a video on what's the daily routine of a CS student. You can go and check that out. But here for each and every subject and topic you need to divide your time. It should be very very clear in your mind what you are going to complete today. Okay, so day 1, day 2, in this way all the entire 15 days should be planned properly. I suggest you to complete your course, that subject plan by 12th day, 3 days extra if anything is left. So for 2 subjects you need to plan this way. While studying, the moment you complete that topic, keep on striking off so that it motivates you to do it further. Keep striking off, and then after you complete the entire 2 subject, on the 20th day plan for the next 20 days in same line. So keep on striking. When you complete, try to complete by 15 days. Last 5 days is for buffer period. Then on 20th day you need to plan for the next 2 subjects. So that should be your planning. For theory subjects you need to divide daily basis में pages wise. Total number of pages divided by total number of time is equal to number of pages you need to complete daily. Okay, so in that way you need to proceed. In this way you will complete your first revision. Then you need to come to second revision, which will be of 30 days, 15 days, 15 days each. 15 days 2 subjects, 15 days 2 subjects. Same way you need to plan. Basically this plan will improve your entire process, your entire system of daily routine, and at the end you will get the fruit. And then you'll come with the third revision, which is for 20 days, 10 days, 10 days. If you are comfortable studying one subject, then 5, 5, 5, 5. 10 days is for both the subjects. If you want to study individually, then divide by 2 and plan accordingly. So that is for students who are going to give their group 1. The moment you start your revision, keep on filtering, keep on categorizing, because on the final day you cannot study the entire lot. You need to keep on filtering, you need to keep on categorizing with every revision so that it gets shorter and shorter and shorter. Maintain the same sequence of exam. Okay, जैसे accounts, then law, then cost, then tax. अगर इस way में your exam is held, then you need to study in this sequence only, so that the gap is not more between your revision date and your exam date. So same sequence में रहने से it becomes very easy to remember and to retain. Basically for students who are giving only one group. Now for students who are going to give both the groups, that is 8 subjects. 8 subjects, 3 months. I presume that your entire coachings are done. You are good to go with your revision. In first revision, you need 60 days time. That is 15 days each for two subjects. That is in 2 months you will be completing your entire first revision, which should be exhaustive, which should be very deep. Quantity won't matter, quality matters a lot. You need to improve your concepts and understanding with each reading. So 15 days, 15 days, 15 days, 15 days, 2 subjects. Pair your subject accordingly, one theory and one practical, where you are comfortable, and then start. Try to complete in 12 days. For 15 days, try to complete in 12 days. So the 3 days buffer time you get to assess yourself, to solve sample papers, to sit in examination environment at home, to solve 3 hours paper. Then second revision will be for 30 days, which is 7 days each. 28, it comes 28. 2 days is extra if you are left out with anything. So basically 7 days, 2 subject you can complete, because both the groups you need to revise everything. You don't have much time. First revision will be very good. Second revision will be shorter one, but it will help you to remember and retain everything. So quality will matter a lot, quantity won't. So please take care of entire concepts and everything when you study. So in that way, students who are going to give both the groups can plan their routine. For only one group students you will get 3 revision. For both the group students you will get 2 revisions, but quality matters a lot. So please keep on filtering, keep on basically categorizing. Make your notes, your formula copy, your adjustment copies, notebook, audio, charts, drawing, sample answers, everything, so that your revision is made easy on the final day. Whatever you are doing now is only and only for the final day revision. Keep that in mind. So you need to study accordingly so that your revision is easy. You need to plan your revision while revising. Okay, your 1.5 days you need to plan now only when you are revising your subjects. So plan accordingly. So basically the summary for the entire thing is, your day wise plan should be final, your hourly plan should be done. You need to improve your system daily basis mein, so that your end result is good. Plan your daily system nicely, execute and review your plan daily. If you need any changes, that you have made unrealistic plan, you need change in your plan, you need to do that. Okay, please take care of that. Notes, audio, charts, drawings is very very important, because you get only 1.5 days to revise. So please study accordingly. Formula copy, adjustment copy, very important. For each subject you need one copy. There you will write all the sample answers, all the technical words, professional words, what you want to incorporate in your answer script. So everything should be in that one just copy of each subject, be it theory paper, be it practical paper. You need one subject individually for all the subjects. You need one notebook for individually for all the subjects. Filter, categorize, strike off is very very important. Last 3 months very important that 13 to 14 hours study you do. Make a digital vision board for yourself. I made a video on that, so that you put it on your wallpaper. The moment you pick up your phone, you are reminded of your dreams, of your goals, and you just keep that aside and again start studying. Because the moment you start scrolling, your 5 minutes turn into half an hour, then 1 hour, then 2 hours, you won't realize. So please try to avoid your phone as much as possible. Daily at least 1 or 2 hours you can take out time to solve your doubts. If you want to surf internet, YouTube or Instagram, or anywhere you want to clear your doubts, then you can surf. Keep a dedicated time fixed for surfing internet. Make realistic plan, be sincere, have faith in yourself. That law of attraction should apply, and you need to work accordingly. You need to believe that the moment you manifest your vision, your dream, you will achieve it. So it's not late, it's you have ample time. You have got 90 days time. You can study accordingly, prepare the best for yourself. And if you have already given lots of attempts, don't forget to see suggested answers provided by the institute, so that you assess your answers. What are the mistakes you are doing when you are studying? So you need to study very very nicely, strategically and proper way mein. Then only you will succeed, because each and every student is studying, everyone is working hard, but why aren't they clearing? Because there is a problem in the system. There is a problem in the way they are studying. There is a problem in the way they are writing answers. So you need to assess yourself. You need to see on the suggested answers, your basically past papers, where you are going wrong, and improve accordingly. This is the time you can do. 3 months is much more than enough. It's more than enough to clear your papers. So please plan properly, improve your daily system, and work each day 1% extra, 1% hard, so that in return the fruit is beautiful. So students, that's all on how to plan for your 90 days study routine. I really hope this video will help all the students to clear this exam in one go and study in a proper way. Best wishes from my side. Don't forget to share it with your friends who are going to give CA Intermediate this year, and do like, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching.